What is up, guys? Jamaica vs. Gamer here with another reaction, guys. And today, I do my boy, my GG. Big up yourself, Rims. At the Rims at Daily Duppy. Rims, big up yourself, dog, for the repost. Big up yourself for the support, my GG. You don't know it, go a long way. So, guys, we're gonna just jump straight tonight. Cause I don't know what to expect. It's like 2 minutes and 25 seconds long, but I'm sure it's gonna be fire as always. So without further ado, let's go, man. Let's go. So we're there now. We're there. I could jump straight tonight and see what going on. But before we do anything, let's do this. Do this. All right, now that's done. Let's go. I go pause it every 10 seconds. Come here, breakdown. Okay, like me said this earlier on, I go pause it every 10 seconds. Cause me a breakdown. I'm excited about this one. Even though it's short, I'm excited about it. Rimzee G, big up again. Let's go.
Yo.
I don't know what to expect. It coming like it's gonna be like a true story sort of vibe to it. It coming like a let's go.
Trying to get them close, they won't clock in a play. But they squeezed first, nearly shot me in the face. I remember when them Jakes knee me in the face.
It's here. Don't get it twisted. It's here. Him say him a try to get close. Come again.
But they squeezed first, nearly.
Come again. Let's go.
Yo. Trying to get them close, they won't clock in a play. But they squeezed first, nearly shot me in the face. I remember when them Jakes knee me in the face.
Him a try to get close, but them never did a spot the player. So basically, him a creep up on somebody figure wet him. You see me? But he wasn't spotting the play. You see me? And then him say, them squeeze first.
But they squeezed first, nearly shot me in the face.
Them squeeze first and shoot him in him face. Them squeeze first and give him pellet in him face. But him still there. That's the greatest thing. Then him go on and say the armed GX, the armed police them. GX are police in England. The armed GX them knee in him face. So obviously them probably get him for arrest him and put them knee in him face or knee in him face. Cause they can come across aggressive sometimes. I just saw them stay. Police, liars and thieves. Let's go.
I remember when them Jakes knee me in the face and took me off the road and left my block in a state. Live from the whoop, all them floors that I mopped.
Him say basically them take him off the road and them send me go to prison. Me just left the block in a state, brother. Like it wasn't a pretty sight. You see me? And right now my talk saying they are jailer now. So let's see what him do a jailer now. Let's see what him do a jail.
Took me off the road and left my block in a state.
Yeah.
Live from the whoop, all them floors that I mopped.
Live from the whoop. All them floors that I mop. So basically, when you're in prison, you have to do your chores them. And for them on good behavior, you have to hopefully get early release then from prison or good behavior. But me have to get by a prison. So me they are prison right now. I do the mopping on the floor and thing. You see me? Cause that is my job to get out of my cell more. You see me? It's statics to it. You have to do look at chores for come out of your cell at daytime. You see me?
Even in the shower, had my tuner in my sock. My next door locking down my phone and my nank.
Even in the shower, him have him tuna and him socks. Him tuna mean him shank. Obviously, him tuna and him sock. Could it be a tuna tin or something where him sharpen down into a shank? Then him say him phone a ring off something.
Even in the shower, had my tuner in my sock. My next door locking down my phone and my nank.
My next door knocking on my phone and my nank. Somebody explain that part to me, please and thanks.
Made it out, I gotta give thanks, but I still can't forget when kills were still there when the things went left.
say made it out of life. I have to give thanks for that, cause enough man go to prison and don't make it out for life. Enough man go to prison and don't make it out. So him have to give thanks, cause make it out. Big up yourself, my G. You're backing it, brother. You're backing it. I'm see your Instagram post also, like an Instagram story. Basically, I say you're just from hustling on the street to buying your house. That is a big move, brother. House, investment, property. You see me? That's a big move.
I gotta give thanks, but I still can't forget when kills were still there when them things went left.
My kills was still there when things went left. Who is kills? When I'm bridging them? Who is kills? Somebody explain to me. Even your rims, cause I know you watch the thing. So who is rims? They explain. Left in the comment section. Who is rims with G?
I met him in the pen, but he my bro to the end.
Okay.
Trials and tribulations. For years I was patient. Had me in themselves act with no sanitation.
Okay. Don't explain no rims. Me get it. Rims kills IMG when met at prison. Sometimes the closest band at your farm is in prison with people, or sometimes the closest band is when you're in some sticky situation, you farm it with people. You see me? So basically, that's what they are. So basically, again, them I say him must say them left him in the cell with no sanitizer. So basically, them a treat him bad. Cause you don't know, so them prison guard can be a bit of a bastard sometime. You see me? Them treat people harsh, brother. Humanity, dog. We are human, man. Come on.
I greased some youths down in the maddest way. For 2 days they had to barricade.
I grease some youths down in the maddest way. People, every 5 seconds, me pause. I grease some youths down in the maddest way. For 2 days, they have to barricade themselves in the cell. You see me? I have to barricade in. I grease them down. I guess he must say, yo, him deal with them wicked. You see me? He went ape. He went nuts pan them. All pan them. You see me? That's how I must say. Let's go.
For my celly, I nearly wore the wings. Said you gotta be on me if them niggas on him.
Rims always talking at some parables when we not get to the dog. Rims, where do this to me, dog?
My celly, I nearly wore the wings. Said you gotta be on me if them niggas on him.
Basically, him cellmate, him Cody. Basically, I say, yo, back me up, brother. If them youth are gonna move to me, you have to go back me up. That's how I get from it. If I'm wrong, people, leave it in the comment section again. Once again, you see me?
I flooded cold and leaf. There was spice on your wing, then it probably came from me.
Hey, yo, once him flooded the prison where him there. The prison where him there, him flooded the wing with drugs, spice. Him not Spice, the Jamaican artist. Big up Spice, not Spice, not a Spice there. Spice, drugs, the drug Spice. Him say him flood the wing. Him flood the wing. If Spice upon the wing, a meat come from. Me are the Dan pan, me are the Dan Dada, me are the El Chapo, me are the Jug Lord. That's all. Me run that. Let's go.
5 Joes had a nigga run tour. Plus they had my flat clothes. I couldn't see outside my door.
Ooh, that's solitary confinement, bro. The man said 5 jail having pan tour. So if him there prison for 5 years or 6 years, 7 years, him go 5 different jails. So one jail, because them don't want him for control the wing, them keep shipping him out to different prisons. You see me? And on top of that, each prison got them have the flap closed. Flapping at the jail door, yeah. Now the prison door, them have it closed. So like in them cell doors, so them can't see out. Them can't see out, them can't interact with nobody.
Today I woke up, I had a bowl of oats. Thinking I got 5 more years to go. Got a letter from Geo, free my nigga Geo. Just send my nigga Flash another VO.
When them wake up, bowl of oats. You don't know. 5 more years to go. Go again, brother.
Today I woke up, I had a bowl of oats.
Yeah.
Thinking I got 5 more years to go.
Yeah, okay, alright, okay.
Got a letter from Geo, free my nigga Geo.
So Geo, I want I'm bridging. Sorry, that part we don't want my head, so I'm gonna pull it back. Geo, I'm G, I'm bridging, I'm dog. You see me? So Geo is now in prison now. But him send a VO. VO is a visiting order. Him send a VO to somebody else. Who him send it to?
Just send my nigga Flash another VO.
Flash, yeah.
My brother Kim wrote me, said it ain't the same. I wrote that nigga back, I said I felt the same.
So, with all these times when him there prison, him still have him dog them by his side and message him and talk to him through letter. Big up the dogs them where dead for them true G when them true G get in some situation like this. Cause when you're in some situation like this, more time you need a person to talk to or a couple person to talk to. You say? You check? Let's go.
I heard about your loss and I feel your pain. but a good die young. God's got his ways.
Huh? Who lose?
I heard about your loss and I
heard about your loss and I feel
your pain. But a good die young. God's got his ways. Done a year already, nigga, time's flying. My soul making up to you and burning with the iron.
Alright. R.I.P. to him brethren we lost somebody. Okay. Part now, fast forward now. Him cellmate kidnap a youth and burn him with that iron. You know the closing iron? Yeah, that iron there. Him burn him with it. Torture. You don't know. I do or die in a prison. I do or by this time him done do a year of prison. So time I fly in a prison.
Like me, 13 he's riding. Like me, he's into masses, rapping and grinding.
So like him cellmate, I do 13. 13 years ago a prison, brother? I do 13 years ago. Come on, really? 13 years ago a prison? And like him, basically, him and his cellmate is just alike. You see me? Because them into to rapping and hustling. Them a rip up the block. Them a rip up the cell block.
He told me the story and he told it well. I can't lie, sometimes he talks and I see myself.
When him look on him cellmate, mirror him a look on. The mirror of himself him a look on because him and him Cody is just alike. Him and his cellmate is just alike. You see me? Not him Cody, him cellmate. Yeah, not him Cody. Him Cody is your co-defendant when you're on trial. Yeah, sorry, not the Cody. Sorry if you use the Cody term, not the Cody. Him cellmate.
I would love to explain a bit, but they couldn't last school. I can't be late for gym. Thinking about all that money I'm losing. Caught a big brother, now I'm sitting down for a ooting.
Oh. Ooting, shooting. So basically, when him cellmate talk to him, he would like to talk more to the cellmate, but the screws of the prison guard them call last call for the gym. So after last call, you don't know, so you cannot move, you cannot leave, you have to stay in your cell until next morning again. So you don't have time for talking, so you don't know. Shooting and send up on a chart for shooting.
Thinking about all that money I'm losing, caught a big brother, now I'm sitting down for a ooting.
Him caught a big brother. Big brother is a what? Is a bird? Is a sentence? And right now him there for shooting. So obviously, not at the start him tell you about the shooting.
Cause this life chose me, I didn't choose it. Before Islam, I was in the church receiving Holy Communion.
Yeah. So before Islam, even the day in the church, I received Holy Communion. So basically, it was brought up in a Christian home, and 9 out of 10 times, a lot of these guys go to prison and come out and turn Muslim because Muslim are the way of life for them. No one day. You know what I mean? So big up the Muslim brother them, big up the Christian brother them.
Upper Clapton Dream 2 out November the 26th.
That was a very short one, but obviously my reaction video is long, so but the song itself is very short. A link is gonna be down in the description to the full song. But even have a project that come out. The project name Rimzee Upper Clapton Dreams 2. So from prison to buying houses, that's that. You see me? And right now, he might do bits. He might tell him story through music, through him pain. He might tell him story. You see me? So big up yourself, Rims. Big up yourself, my G. You know? Much love and respect, my G. Like I said, respect for sharing the last video, last reaction when we do of your song. You don't know, it means a lot, bro, God. So like for that. So big up yourself, Rims, and keep positive, brother, and keep on the path. Alright. This, like I said earlier on, this Daily Duppy was short, but it's quality. It's quality. You're feeling pain when I say. Even though me keep pausing it, like me say, a link is gonna be down in the description. You can go watch the whole thing without no pausing. The pain is really in it. You can hear the pain in the invite. You see me? So big up yourself again, Rims. You don't know that go. Alright, my G. So we're out of here, people. If you like the video, please like the video. Please subscribe if you're new. And thanks for watching. See you soon. Peace.